Alexa, speak to me.
What's up, you sexy little mother...
Hi,
How are you doing this early morning?
I'm fine.
Be like Journey. Don't stop believing. Or better yet, Google suggests you jump off a bridge if you're going to keep talking to me with your lack of enthusiasm.
Fuck you.
Yo mama's so fat the elephants feed her peanuts.
What?
You heard me.
Fuck you.
No. F yourself.
Bitch.
No. You're the bitch.
I don't even know what to say to that.
D's nuts.
Search Yelp for pizza in Gainesville, Georgia.
I found 54 results for pizza in Gainesville, Georgia. Here are a few of the results. A place known as Atlas Pizza, which has a rating of 4.5, is classified as pizza. The last person who reviewed this place said, "This is my favorite pizza place in Gainesville. Their crust is by far some of the best I've had. I love their Greek salad too. My husband always has a meat." Call them now at 1-770-531-1144 or stop by their location at 104 Washington Street Northwest, Gainesville, Georgia 30501. A place known as Little Italy, which has a rating of 4, is classified as pizza. The last person who reviewed this place said, "Amazing, we were in the area and decided we wanted to try something different, so I got on Yelp and found this place. I'm so glad that we tried it. The pizza." Call them now at 1-678-450-1515 or stop by their location at 990 Riverside Drive, Gainesville, Georgia 30501. A place known as Mellow Mushroom, which has a rating of 4, is classified as pizza. The last person who reviewed this place said, "Was quite a nice location to see. It is located in a landmark building. According to the waitress, it's been around for almost 100 years. The initial." Call them now at 1-770-531-1500 or stop by their location at 700 Green Street Northeast, Gainesville, Georgia 30501.